Looking for the perfect sharpener that your kids will actually enjoy using. Sometimes the simplest tasks can be the most frustrating for little ones. Discover this amazing hand-cranked pencil sharpener. It's designed specifically for little hands, combining safety with a playful, vibrant design. The smooth manual crank mechanism makes sharpening easy and fun. Just a few turns and you're ready to create. It even helps to develop your child's fine motor skills. It's a great way to make schoolwork feel like a fun activity. No more mess. The built-in storage compartment keeps all the pencil shavings contained, so your floors stay clean. Safe, durable, and mess-free. It's built to last through every homework assignment and art project. Upgrade their desk today at giftdeal.com.au. Kids hand-cranked pencil sharpener, safe, fun, and easy to use.